when you want to get a new version. And that is possible with Anycube. You can click again, generate from your website. You can give to Annie again your website or another website, and check this. Again, you need to authorize Annie to review your information, and Annie will delete all this business model and create a new one with all the framework on behind. So let's do again. This is important because you can have all the information. So click Analyze Website. And you can keep working with Annie in the back while you are getting this information. We should see again that progress bar that informs us that Annie is creating everything here for us. In the meanwhile, let me explain the other modules that we have in Anycube. Check this. Annie deletes everything and starts again the process. So we have the digital channels. This is the same screen that we reviewed before when we connect the social channels. Check this. We have now our LinkedIn page. This is still synchronizing the information. As I told you, sometimes takes more time to synchronize, and you have, or in my case, my Facebook account. But I want to focus this time in these two other options we have here. First, the inbox. Inbox means that most of your message, or let me say again, all your message from your channels comes to one specific place. And sometimes it is a nightmare as solopreneur or a small team if you want to or need to reply to everybody. People left comments in Facebook, in Instagram, in LinkedIn, but also they send messages directly to your Facebook fan page or to your Instagram direct message or the other channels. And you need to move between different applications or tabs to reply to all of them. The interesting thing here it is that Anycube lets you to centralize all that comments message in only one place, and you can start reply to them in one place. Check something like this. You only need to click on the message, you get information about which is the channel, and you can decide to reply, send information, or something like this. Most important, you also can check which post content is based or attract that information. So in this case, I can see here, and it will be open my LinkedIn account, and I can see here a live demo that we made with Ryan McCall, NEQCO, talking about the ChatGPT. Well, let me set pause here. We don't want to reply all this live, but I can reply to this person, or in this case account, about this, and I can find all my message, which I need to resolve, which I have to read. I can have all my message. Just remember that as I just connected my social media, it could take time to have everything here. But if you connect Facebook, Instagram, and other social media, you will have everything here. And you can, for example, filter checking here. I want to show only the message that I have in Facebook, and again, I can just click here and start replying the message. Again, with LinkedIn. So you have analytics here. You can connect other social media, other channels, get information. I can click the summary, for example, and I get a general and general information about all my channels. Check this. This is a base information that helps me to understand the performance of my social channels. I have LinkedIn, I have Facebook. I can get information about my impressions, interactions, and all the information I have, all the posts and content I get. And I can play also with different calendar here. So it is interesting that I can get a general view of all my channels, and I can move to the specific channel to get more information. Again, maybe you need to wait a few minutes to get the full synchronization. Last but not least, in this module, you can get access to the content that is published in your social media. Here, as is a new fresh account, just for demo purposes, I don't have any content here, but you can see these different blue sections, and sometimes is bold than other. And this is because Any helps me to understand also which is the best time to create and post content if I want to do by me, by myself, or using Any for my company. So I have the best times for Facebook, the best times also for LinkedIn, and Any takes all that information and use to create the best content for my case. Check here, I have my bar to identify the progress of any. And something interesting that is that everything happened here in real time. So I can move to the customer framework and check this. I have again a business model, NEQ autonomous content platform. I have two potential segments here, and I can start exploring that I have two different ICPs. In the marketing managers, I have an ICP, enterprise marketing managers, and small business and entrepreneurs. I have other ICP.